We have more details surrounding the arrest of 41-year-old Eric Reinbold for allegedly hiding explosives in northwestern Minnesota. Reinbold of rural Oklee has been formally charged with felony possession of explosives. The charge carries a maximum sentence of 10 years in prison. According to court documents, just over a week ago, a property owner discovered a container on their land where a hunting shack is located northwest of Oklee. Inside the container, 2 pounds of rifle powder, 6 steel pipes, some with end caps and wires attached to 9-volt batteries, a kitchen timer, a bag of 9-volt batteries and toggle switches. Plus, authorities found a receipt to Eric Reinbold for the purchase of fuses found in the container. However, it's still unclear what may have been planned for the use of the explosives. Court documents indicate that during the investigation, Reinbold contacted a family member by text and voicemail, telling them to get the cops off the property because there is nothing there that can hurt anyone. Reinbold also asked the family member if cops had found an old gun buried on the property. Back in 2015, Reinbold was convicted on an assault charge stemming from a domestic situation in which he repeatedly rammed his wife's car with his vehicle. Part of his sentence at that time was a psychological examination and treatment. Then, following his court appearance for the latest charge of possession of explosives, Reinbold posted $15,000 cash bail and was released from jail until earlier this month when authorities conducted a search of his home as part of his probation for the 2015 incident. Authorities found materials in the home that were in violation of his probation terms, and another warrant was issued for his arrest. Reinbold fled and was arrested in Kansas. He was returned to Minnesota. Now, just last week, Reinbold was removed from the Pennington County Jail and taken into custody by federal authorities. His current location in jail isn't known, but 2 days ago, the prosecutor dropped the possession of explosive charges against Reinbold in state court. However, a charge of possession of firearm or pipe bomb has been filed in federal court. Plus, federal sentencing guidelines allow the stacking of other previous charges against Reinbold. It all means that if he's convicted in federal court, he could wind up spending the better part of the rest of his life behind bars. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNews.TV.